This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Sorry for the delay. It said we weren't streaming, then we were about to hit the New York Open. Congratulations to all of our VIP traders. Particularly, we will single out the price action overnight, which was on NVIDIA. Nice hit. It looks like we're opening up, boom, to that downside target. When I talk about those 8 to 10 second trades, bam, exactly that bottom side band. That is your open. Buyers are engaging on that standard deviation level to the bottom. Let's look at the specific move. And congratulations to all the VIP who are trading. But bam, guys, you got paid 3.9%. Boom. That is a trade in the first few seconds, 8 to 10 seconds. Boom, you're out. You're clear. That is your day on NVIDIA. If you caught it, congratulations. Now you're picking up, just so that you know, on the 15-minute the specific fire sale line. Make a note. These are our fire and ice specific indicators. They're awesome, guys. Congratulations to everyone who's trading. Now, it's going to be a bit of a hot pickup. You guys know that. A lot of downside price action. We had some data that came in a little bit stronger than expected on specific jobs. We will go over Tesla. We will go over and Tesla opening up where? Kind of, guys, shout out to all the NVIDIA traders. Tesla now following up with a move below the specific 4-hourly 20 moving average, which would give a downside target of this downside band. So Tesla and NVIDIA playing a bit coy with the traders. They just provided the specific downside hit to on the cross under the specific 20 moving average to that downside band on the Bollingers, guys. So NVIDIA just rocked it and paid to the downside. So yes, being a bit coy is Tesla right now, opening up just underneath that same move in play. And I will say this, that Tesla has a preceding pivot to the left that needs to be considered. You will see this just flat line, boom, to the left. So we are in a bit of flux, but what a nice just kind of reverberation through the market as the traders are obviously focused on Tesla and NVIDIA in terms of equities. Remember, this is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Guys, rock and roll it the way you want to roll it, and you let me know how it's working out. Our VIP in the bag, special signal, special guys, special indicators, etc. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quickly. We love the volatility. She makes you wait a bit more. But congratulations to all the VIP who are trading. Let's talk about the specific hourly completion to the downside. That was a nice move. Boom. You'll see right here again, cross under the specific candle set underneath that 20 moving average, and bam, you see that nice completion to the downside for Bitcoin. Way to rock it, guys. And you don't always have to play it exactly to the specific lower band. That's 0.4% of a move. If you're on 100x or larger, that certainly paid. Congratulations to all the VIP. You'll also see the specific, we call it a capital control line, the RSI, stochastic, and MACD line on the chart, the blue to red, signified a short in this zone on the hourly. Each and every tactic, each and every indicator, you're going to want to backtest it. Look at it and backtest it. Very important. I'm going to bring up a specific chart here on as we look at this. And I'll tell you guys, my preference, yes, we have downward pressure. My preference on a day like this, honestly, if you have some exposure on something like Tesla, is nice. What I'll say is I like to get in. I like to trade. I like a 8 to 10 second move, and boom. I like to get out, move as much capital as quickly as possible for as good a return as possible. But I'll tell you, minimizing your risk without a doubt. Carryover trades to the next day, it's difficult to minimize your risk. You know this. So if like Liam, and shout out to Liam again in our VIP, if like Liam, who hit 100% trade yesterday on a short on Tesla, if you held through that short, boom, you got rewarded quite well. The question on NVIDIA right now is going to be what? Let's talk about it very quickly. The question on NVIDIA is going to be the specific here. This is the hammer. The hammer on NVIDIA. Will liken this to the 4-hourly right now, okay? This is the daily chart, 4-hourly on Tesla, okay? 4-hourly on Tesla has opened underneath the 20 moving average. The hammer on NVIDIA right now is an open below the specific daily 20 moving average. It's putting all of this zone in play. This is going to be an important day. I'm going to do the following. In terms of representing one of the strongest things that you can develop in the market, you know this, one of the strongest things you can develop in the market is the ability to trade in and out, in my opinion, quickly for good cash, a good return, and to not let the market govern your day. That's it. If you can pre-structure into the market open and in the first 5 to 10, 15 seconds, bam, knock the lights out, If you can get another position to ride through, let's say the next couple of hours, maybe a potential carry position without the market taking over your day, I always tell our traders after a win, I always tell our traders that the market wants your time. Without a doubt, and some of you guys, I couldn't peel you away from a computer screen in terms of the market if we were trying to do so. And not everyone likes to get up early for the markets. You know that. So in terms, we have, I think, a better setup for some overseas, and we'll be looking into that, but for some overseas componentry, because we're on the West Coast, it's 6:30 a.m. here. A lot of crypto guys just don't want to get up. So we fit in that category as well in terms of crypto guys. So let's talk about the following. What I'm going to do is say shout out to particularly Liam. Nice short. If you closed it, it's fine. If you kept it open, rock and roll, brother. Way to trade, way to trade. And I want to reward that type of mindset. Let's go side trade, let's flash trade, but that was a hit. Now you've got underneath the daily to look at. And yes, what's going to be the issue? Well, shorts are going to pile in right here with a bit of a stop loss. You guys know that. Shorts want to pile in on that 20 moving average on the daily. I'm going to let the stream go. If I could stream, honestly, for 1 minute maximum in the morning on the open, assess any takes, quick flash hits like we had on the 15-minute on the fire sale, boom, boom. If I could assess, and that was on Tesla, right? If I could assess and get in, and let's say at the end of the day and do an assessment in terms of directionally where we may be headed, guys, if we can keep this quick and knock the lights out with a 1-2 punch quickly, that is what I want to try and reinstill with all of you. Now, with that said, I'll let you go because I want it to be like that. If we can achieve that, that is a primary goal. Let's try and get it done. Guys, we'll be in the back trading. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and BIP Trader. Watch the gap. Watch the gap, NVDA, bottom line. That's going to be a target, by the way, for bulls. Is the specific gap down? Yes, filling this gap will be a goal for the bulls. Let's get in the back. Let's go trade. Way to, guys, hit it on the open. Congratulations. And I did remind you of the specific downside target on the 4 hourly. That's why it's just an instant success for us. And yes, do mind yourselves. Standard deviations can work as pick up levels. Bulls engaged at the target where the bears got paid. And this is all in flux. Remember, you've got that specific daily 20 moving average. Boom, right in this zone. We'll talk to you guys soon. Let's go. Way to trade. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader.